Good morning, guys. Today is weigh-in day number 3. Today marks my close of 3 weeks on Optavia. Feeling amazing and excited to share with you what happened this week. I got my next month's shipment in, so I will be showing you some of the new foods that I got in another video. Today is just strictly weigh-in day. I'm being kind of quiet because everybody's sleeping. Woke up this morning, made myself a strawberry protein shake, and let me just take a sip. Ice cube. Feeling super great, guys. So anyway, let's get to it. What happened this week? Drum roll, please. Oh my gosh, guys. I have never been so excited in my life. 2.2 pounds down this week, making a total of 11.8 pounds in 3 weeks. What? This week will be my next full week to close out the month. I'm excited to see how I do. The side effect of this is the weight loss. Obviously, you guys know why I started this to begin with. If you don't, then just go back and watch a couple videos. But I am so excited because in 3 weeks to lose almost 12 pounds, 11.8 pounds in 3 weeks, is phenomenal. This is how keto is supposed to work. This is how keeping your carbs low is supposed to work. For some strange reason, this plan is just perfect for me right now, and I couldn't be more excited. And I'm excited to see where it takes me, and I'm excited that I'm feeling better and feeling well, and I'm just elated. There's really not much more for me to say. It's been a fantastic week. I've stayed on plan 100%, haven't deviated, have drank so much water, and have done a lot of cardio, but like low heart rate cardio, just walking. No running, no elliptical this week. Just doing basic cardio, just going outside and taking walks at night. Brittany and I have been going to the park every night, and we've been walking around the lake. 3 times around the lake is a mile, so we started 3 times around, then the next day we went 4 times around, then the next day 5 times around. So we're building ourselves up. It's a nice change from what I'm used to right now, and I am just feeling phenomenal. So I just wanted to report. That's my weekly weigh-in. Week number 3 on Optavia. And that's pretty much it, guys. So this week will be a lot of lean and green meals that I'm cooking, which are fully keto. I've got my good fats, my protein, and my good carbs, such as veggies. So I will be putting some of those videos out there to show you what I've been eating for dinner. And again, thank you all for your support. You've all been amazing. I appreciate it. I really do. Thank you so much, and I will see you next week. Have a great day, everybody. Stay focused. Bye-bye.